Dr. Rhonda Patrick here. Today I'm making some Salmon Roe stacks. Many of you may know I'm a huge fan of Salmon Roe because it contains the omega-3 fatty acid DHA in phospholipid form. In fact, around 40 to 70% of fish roe in general contain their DHA in phospholipid form compared to fish, which only has about 1 to 3% of the DHA in phospholipid form. Some animal studies are suggestive that DHA in phospholipid form may get into the brain better than DHA in other forms. Salmon roe also is really high in astaxanthin, which is an antioxidant that has been shown in animal studies to activate the longevity gene FOXO3, and in human studies it's been shown to decrease markers of oxidative stress and also improve blood lipid markers as well. It's a really easy snack to make, and personally I think it's very healthy.